Today we're going to talk about Pepe the Frog being listed on the Binance market. Binance is going to sell the Pepe coin that is on Ethereum. Binance is listing, the frog is listing on Binance. You're right. If the beginning of that sentence makes you a little confused, I felt the same way. One of my viewers kept telling me, Binance is listing Pepe today. Binance is listing Pepe today. While I was live streaming earlier today, you know what I said back? To which you replied, "Sir, I think Pepe is already listed on Binance, COINBASE, and everything else. However, I believe you were wrong. It's already on the list." And then he says no deposits were made and listings came. He was right, but he didn't make it clear. Binance US. In this movie, I'd like to look at Pepecoin and see what's going on with Pepe the Frog token right now. In breaking crypto news today, it was announced that the next SEC chair has been chosen by the new government that will take over the White House in 2025. As of today, Gary Gensler is stepping down, and the SEC now has a new head who is pro-crypto. This has made the crypto markets very bullish. Today, Bitcoin is getting closer and closer to $100,000. It broke out of a range that I was showing on my stream earlier today. Let's talk about what this means for Pepe. What this listing on Binance and Binance US means for Pepe the Frog and what will happen next with this coin. All of you are welcome back to the Crypto Report. Thanks for having me. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the station your way. And if you're watching on X, please share this. Let's start taking a look at the market as a whole today. For your information, Bitcoin is currently worth $98,100. It was up to $100,000 not long ago, and it's getting closer to that level again. Also, if I may, this is the Bitcoin power chart right now. Over the past few months, Bitcoin's popularity has been going down, which is how Pepecoin has grown a lot. Since November, Pepe has had a pretty good run. It's amazing that Pepe's already up 181% since this little area on November 5th, just 1 month ago. It is thought that 2025 will be the start of an altcoin season. That's going to start here in December. Pepe has already made a huge move to the upside. Since then, there have been some consolidations and a repeat of the all-time high for this currency, which we hit in May 2024. Pepe the Frog didn't even exist during the last boom market. One of the biggest altcoins to come out of the falling market was this one. It was a surprise that it really didn't exist until it was launched during this bear market and went off the charts. The market value reached a huge $10 billion at one point, which is really amazing. To be honest, I think Pepe the Frog can go a lot higher. At the time this recording was made, it was ranked number 23 in crypto with $9 billion. I've already said that I still think it's possible to see Pepe the Frog 10 times from here. You can already buy it on COINBASE and Binance. Now we're in what some people call the meme coin bull market, right? Some people are calling it a meme coin supercycle. What do you know? There are definitely a lot of people who want to buy meme coins. In fact, the movies that get the most views are some of the ones we post. Why? Because I believe stores want to start selling meme coins. When it comes to these jokes, one of the main reasons my partner and I make so many videos is to teach retail as they come in. This term refers to someone who is new to crypto. Retail refers to regular people who are new to crypto. People who have been in the crypto business for a while call this group of people retail. A lot of regular people also lose out in the crypto space, which is a shame. So we want to set some reasonable price goals and give you some reasonable ideas about what we can see with Pepe. Now, can Pepe 10? It can 10x. Should you think Pepe will 10x? I mean, if it's not true, if you get a 2x, 5x, or 4x, you should cash out while the odds are still good. It could do 10x, I believe it can. But just in case it doesn't, you want to make sure you make money. You, at the very least, protect your starting investment as you go up. Let's talk about some of this news, guys. Pepe is currently ranked 23rd. Things are going pretty well. It's been getting stronger lately. It failed again at the very top of the line. The amount of Bitcoin that people use has been going down, but we need to be aware of as if Bitcoin, which is breaking out of this range right now, was still in this range when I first looked at it during my live show. In fact, it broke out to the upside in a strong way, and it might even go through $100,000. It's important to know that Bitcoin could once again become the most valuable cryptocurrency if it breaks through $100,000 and then goes up even more. This week's candle could end at the top of this level. In the next 4 days and 3 hours, there might be a test before prices continue to fall and then they start to rise again. Now, that won't stop Pepe from going up, even if that does happen. Okay, Bitcoin dominance just means that most of the money, and this move for Bitcoin dominance means that most of the money was flowing into Bitcoin. When Bitcoin's dominance in the market diminishes, or when less money is flowing into Bitcoin compared to other coins in the market, which we call altcoins, their values rise like Pepe. This is exactly what we've seen lately as Bitcoin's dominance has cooled off. And our market value is going through the roof right now. Another thing I want you guys to know is that experts, including myself, I'm not saying I'm an expert, think this total market cap could reach $10 trillion. I've been in this spot since 2016, this is something I've done for a long time. I think this market value could reach $10 trillion. There are a lot of people who think that Bitcoin will be worth more in the future than gold. Some people say that Bitcoin's market value could one day be higher than gold's. When that happens, one Bitcoin will be worth $800,000. That means that Bitcoin alone has a market value of $15 trillion, which is 55% of the market, as you can see above. Okay, so maybe Bitcoin doesn't flip gold during this bull market. That's fine. But I think it could start moving in the direction of what many people, including myself, think will happen eventually. Bitcoin would flip gold. So $10 trillion could happen, which would mean that about $7 trillion would be coming into the crypto space. Many people are calling this altcoin season because Bitcoin is losing its authority. This is the story that's coming out about Pepe. This morning, we talked about how you could deposit Pepe on Binance US. You can do so now, and tomorrow at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time too. Pepecoin is now going to be offered on Binance US. It is very important to know that Binance US is a lot smaller than Binance. If you think that Pepe is going to make a 10x move just because Binance listed it in the US, that is not going to happen. This entry from Binance US looks good, but can Pepe the Frog pump it? Yes, I think that's possible. How about we talk about this? I think it's possible for Pepe to reach a new all-time high. I'm not saying for sure that it will blow up. There's no chance that it will even double, but I think you could see some double-digit gains after this listing. The truth is that it also, people aren't that excited about Finance Use, so it might not be that important, but a lot of people in my live stream talked about it today. I know that for some people, Pepe is a very bullish coin. We've talked a lot about Pepecoin on this channel because I think it's the best joke for this stage. It's the one picked, right? Pepe is one of the coins that could become the next Dogecoin. It has already reached a market cap of $10 billion, showing how valuable it is and how strong the community behind it is. If it does get listed on Binance US, this could lead to a small pump. Going back to Pepe's earlier highs, you might see a 20% move. Again, that's gains of more than 10% that I think Pepe could achieve. We might run into some trouble there, or we might be able to sneak through. Right now, I like what I see when it comes to Pepe getting a bounce off the top of this range. This is the morning candle. You can see that it's really stuck in this area right now. If I go down to the weekly candles, this is the warning. If Bitcoin Power makes a comeback to the upside and starts to rise above 100000, Pepe could keep going down for a while before going back up. This could be called a weakness or consolidation of sorts. This listing on Binance US might lead to a rise in the price of Pepecoin. It could happen for sure. It could happen for sure. Something like that is something I will keep an eye out for. But I want you to know that this isn't as big of a deal as if it were listed on regular Binance. Regular Binance has a lot more money traded every day. That site has a lot more money. There aren't many coins on Binance Use. I honestly find it hard to believe that Pepe wasn't already listed on Binance Use. Instead of Binance Use, I like a number of other platforms better. Since recently, I've really liked using this exchange a lot, especially when it comes to leverage dealing, which is something you guys might be interested in. Blowfin is fun to play around with because the fees are low and they have a lot more options than Binance Use. They already have Pepecoin and a bunch of other memes on here. They just listed Ponky and a bunch of other ones. Ponky's the only one up there that I've heard of. They've listed Mudang and so many other coins. I wonder if they listed Chill Guy. That's a coin that I've been excited about lately on Solana. They have a lot of different coins listed here. If you guys do want to trade any of these coins on Blowfin, you know, you're thinking about using Binance US. I mean, I prefer Blowfin. There's no need for KYC. In comparison to Binance US, the fees will be less. You will also be able to choose from a wider range of coins. Use our link to sign up. Please leave your answer in the area below. You can get a deposit bonus of up to $5,000 when you sign up. Will this make Pepe the Frog pump? It might. There it is on Binance already. The coin is already on COINBASE. A lot of the big